Good morning students, class 10, chapter number 11, construction. Exercise 11.1. In the exercise 11.1, only question number 1 in your syllabus. Question number 2 to question number 7 deleted this year. Now we start question number 1. In the question number 1, we have to draw a line segment of length 7.6 cm and divide into ratio 5:8. इन दिस क्वेश्चन हमें एक लाइन सेगमेंट गिवन है 7.6 सेंटीमीटर और हमें उसे दो पार्ट में डिवाइड करना है इन विच द रेशियो इज 5:8. सो देयर आर टू मेथड्स. वन मेथड विद द हेल्प ऑफ पैरेलल लाइन वी कैन डिवाइड द लाइन सेगमेंट इनटू 5:8 एंड द सेकंड मेथड we divide the line segment in the ratio 5:8 without drawing parallel lines. So we discuss these two methods with the help of parallel line and without help of parallel lines. And with the help of parallel line also there are two methods we can draw parallel lines. So we discuss both methods by part. So firstly we draw a line segment 7.6 centimeter. हम एक 7.6 सेंटीमीटर की लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. टू ड्रॉ अ लाइन सेगमेंट 7.6 सेंटीमीटर and we name it AB whose length is 7.6 centimeter. Now after this we draw a ray AX below AB making any acute angle. Acute angle mean which is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree and so very light, and name it AX. Now taking suitable distance the compass, we divide the AX into 13 equal parts because 5 plus 8 equal to 13. Suppose we take the distance the compass and put the compass at A. Draw one arc, put the compass, draw another arc. So using same procedure we can divide line segment ray AX into 13 equal part. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and we produce AX because we have to divide AX into 13 equal parts. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now naming A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10, A11, A12 and it is A13. Okay, after dividing ray AX into 13 equal parts, we join B to A13. We join B to A13. Now we draw a line parallel to BA13 which passes through A5. because the ratio is 5:8. So we use A5. So to draw this parallel line we use set square. It is called set square, and the use we can draw parallel lines. How can we use set square? Firstly we put set square along the BA13, and it is the rough surface of the set square and it is the rough surface of this set square. We just adjust both set square like this. Now we press the set square and remove this set square. Now we just move this set square in any direction. We move this set square to A5. हम इस सेट स्क्वायर को मूव करते हुए A5 तक लाएंगे, एंड आफ्टर दिस वी जस्ट रिलैक्स दिस सेट स्क्वायर एंड ड्रॉ line, and it is the point C and it is parallel to this. So the point C, divide the line segment AB in the 5:8. So point C divides AB into 5:8. So it is the help of set square. With the help of set square we draw parallel lines. Now we draw parallel lines but without use of set square. I hope it is clear. Now we draw 7.6 centimeter again. Name it AB. Draw a ray AX making any acute angle. Making any acute angle. Again taking a suitable distance the compass, and we divide AX into 13 equal parts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 in the last 13. Naming the point A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10, A11, A12 and A13. Now join A13 to B. Clear? Line will be very light. Now we draw a line parallel to BA13 passes through A5. But we not use set square. अपन set square का यूज नहीं करेंगे, तो without help of set square how can we draw line parallel to BA13? For this we put the compass A13 and taking suitable distance mark the sign of angle, and now put the compass at A5 with the same distance, draw an arc. Now put the compass distance equal to this. And put the compass at this point and draw an arc which cut the previous arc at this point and join this point to A5. आपको इस पॉइंट को A5 से ज्वाइन करना है. which cut the AB at C. So point C divides AB into 5:8 because corresponding angles are equal, so lines are parallel. So it is the method in which we draw parallel line without help of set square. I sure both are clear. Now we can use second method in which we don't draw parallel lines. Then how can we divide a line segment 7.6 cm into 5:8? So for this we draw a line segment 7.6 cm. Name it AB. In this procedure we have to draw an angle below AB and one angle above AB, but both angles must be equal. So we put the compass at B and drew an arc. We put the compass at A, draw an arc but below AB. Now we have to draw both angles are equal, so we can take any distance. Distance आप थोड़ी कम भी कर सकते हो, it's your choice. And draw an arc. Now put the compass at this point and draw another arc. So these are two angles we have to draw and both angles are equal. We draw a ray AX below AB and we draw a ray BY above AB. Okay, now taking suitable distance in the compass, we divide the AX into 5 equal parts because the ratio is 5:8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and we divide the BY into 8 equal parts because the ratio is 5:8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Naming A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7 and B8. And now join A5 to B8. And join A5 to B8. Which cut the AB at C. So point C divides AB into 5:8. So it is the method by which we can't draw parallel lines, and in the previous two method we draw parallel line, one with the help of set square and second without help of set square. I hope the question number 1 is clear. Just try, and in the next video we continue exercise 11.2. Thank you very much.